The Executive Yuan has announced that the Central Epidemic Command Center is being upgraded to the highest level of authorization. Level 1 authorization will give the task force more power to implement urgent measures to contain the coronavirus. The director of the command center, Health Minister Chen Shih-chung, says the moves will allow his staff to move ahead quickly and prevent the outbreak from worsening.
At a meeting of the Executive Yuan, Minister of Health and Welfare Chen asked Premier Su Tseng-chang to upgrade the country's epidemic prevention efforts.
I agree with the recommendation of Minister Chen Shih-chung, who also heads the Epidemic Command Center. We will upgrade the authorization from level 2 to level 1 and ask Minister Chen to continue to act as head of the operation. I will act as the head of the operation after we upgrade to level 1. I want to express many thanks to the Executive Yuan for their trust in me, as well as all my colleagues and ministers in various departments. We must all work together.
The main reason for the upgrade is to counter the threat of widespread person-to-person transmissions in the community. Such transmissions are still mainly just a threat. The upgrade aims to keep it that way.
The upgrade is an early preventative measure because currently our threat of community spread is comparatively low. There have already been cases where we are unable to work out the exact source of the infection. So having cases like this, as well as looking at the development of the situation abroad, we must act fast before it gets worse. That's why we're doing this.
New Taipei's Municipal Epidemic Response Center already upgraded to level 1 on Wednesday. Taipei City is following the central government's lead in announcing an upgrade.
Central and local governments have to cooperate. In general, if the central government upgrades, Taipei City will follow suit.
I
went to the Executive Yuan today, and at the meeting, looking at the whole situation, the advice was for the central government to switch to level 1.
Both central and local governments are stepping up their public health measures and dedicating more resources to containing the virus.